Okay, we're doing a drink testing video, and Bailey's gonna be testing the drinks. So I'm just gonna give her one is good and one is bad. This one and this one is. So I'm gonna do this one first. Okay, mix it around. Okay, no licking.
I'm not
Okay. Drink it.
It's not even that bad. It's kind of good.
What?
Nasty.
You're insane! Ew! That's so gross.
Can I have some of the other one, please?
Yeah. Ready? Open up. Okay, wait, I want to do it now.
Okay.
Okay, she's doing it to me.
Okay, so
Okay.
now we're gonna give her the drink. Stop. You can't do it. Okay. First, I'm gonna give you this one.
That's chocolate milk. No, not the next one.
Okay, next, I'm gonna give you this one.
That's chocolate milk.
Now next, I'm gonna give you this one.
Ew, that's so gross. It tastes like poop. Well, that was so gross. So, yeah. It's chocolate milk. Okay.
Yeah, all right, so the rice